So I'm going to show you how to straighten your steering wheel in your Jeep Wrangler JK. This is my 2017, so you may have just done a lift. And now you notice that your steering wheel is not straight. Mine is off to the right just a little bit. Super easy. What you need to do, get your favorite 15 millimeter. I got my Milwaukee here. Come under here to your drag link. I've just sprayed this a little while ago with some PB Blaster, so mine's all wet. And all you need to do is loosen up these two. If you have the guard here, you probably won't be able to use a Milwaukee or a normal ratchet. You'll probably have to use a closed box end wrench or an open end. But this comes off pretty easily. Mine's off because I got a flat toe bar. Anyway, let's get to work. All right, so what you're gonna need to do is get a big pair of pliers. Get it on here. Just wiggle it back and forth till it starts to move and give her a turn. A couple turns. Let's go take a look inside. That's almost straight already. That looks pretty straight to me. Call that good. So in order to turn these back the right way, just grab them with your pair of pliers. Turn it. You'll get them straight. Just double check your wheel. And then whichever way your wheel needs to go, so mine needed to go counterclockwise, just go the opposite with this when you're turning the sleeve. I needed to go counterclockwise on my wheel, so I turned this clockwise. My wheel, it looks straight. I'm happy with that. The reasoning for doing this is A, the steering wheel that's not straight is annoying, and B, you are going to get a light on your dashboard and it's going to disable the cruise control. So it's an easy job. It takes 5 minutes. It's not a big deal. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good one. As you can see, no hands on the wheel, just driving straight. It does have 33, so you do have to steer a little bit, but the wheel's straight now, it's fixed.